In today's video, you will learn how to add multiple lines to a line graph in Excel. This short guide walks you through creating, editing, and customizing a line graph so you can clearly compare different data sets in one chart. Start by selecting the data you want to display in the graph. In this example, we begin with two data series showing monthly sales. Once the data is selected, insert a simple line graph and it will instantly appear in the spreadsheet. You can move the graph slightly to make it easier to work with. To add another line to the graph, right-click inside the chart area and choose the option to select data. A window opens showing the data series already included. Click the Add option, enter the name of the new data series, and define the range of values it should use. After confirming your selection, the new line appears in the graph. You can repeat this process to include more lines whenever needed. If you want to temporarily hide a line, return to the Select Data window and untick the box next to the data series. This removes the line from view without deleting the data. Ticking the box again will show the line once more. You can also edit or remove lines from the graph. Editing allows you to rename a data series or adjust its range, while removing deletes the line completely from the chart. To finish, you can move and resize the graph, rename the chart title, and adjust colors or styles using the chart design options to make the graph clearer and easier to read.